Yes, class 5. Hope you are practicing and trying to do out all the divisions that are there. As I told you, if you find difficulty, you can write it in the comment section. Today we will be doing estimating the product. I hope you remember what estimation is. Yes, estimation, in other words, is rounding up. Now, rounding off numbers, which usually we will do it in the hundreds place. In some cases it is done in the thousands place, there it will be mentioned, otherwise it will be in the hundreds place. So let us see the sum. Find the actual and estimated product of 1235 and 893. First let us find out the estimated number. Since it is 3 after that, so it will be 1200, and here it is 9 in the tens place, so 8 instead of 800 it will be 900. Now this is our product with the actual number, and this is our product with the estimated number. They have just simply asked us to find, they did not ask us to compare, they asked us to find the two estimated product and the actual product. Similarly, you will be doing with these sums that I have given you, the estimated product and the actual product. Now let us go on to question number 4. A man earns rupees 938 every day. Estimate his earnings for the month of February. Now here it is to be noted that this is the month of February. Month of February means, yes, 28 days. And if it is mentioned with this month of February in a leap year, then you have to count it to be 29 days. Otherwise it is 28 days. So in one day he earns rupees 938, which is estimated as rupees 900, and in 28 days he earns 900 into 28. Here we will not change this 28. We will not make it as 30 because they have separately mentioned February. Is it clear to you? So it is 900 multiplied by 28. We will find it and do the answer. Question number 5. The cost of a chair is rupees 478. Estimate the money Rita should have to buy with 189 chairs. The money that Rita should have to buy 189 chairs. So we have to find the estimated value. We have to find the estimated value. So estimated amount is 500, since it is 478 more than 5, so it is 500, and this is 189 chairs. This is also more than 5, so it is rounded up to be 200 chairs. Then you will multiply and find out. Next question is, Vinit sells 527 stickers every day. He has a sticker shop and he sells 527 stickers every day. Estimate the number of stickers he will sell in 4 months. Now the months are mentioned to you, so you have to calculate it accordingly. January 31 days, February not mentioned anything, so we will take it to be 28 days. March, it is 31 days again, and April, it is 30 days. You will add this and that will give you the number of days. In one day he is selling so many stickers, and you add it up, it comes to be 120. So in 120 days, how many stickers he is selling? Is it clear to you? Multiply and then find the estimated number of stickers. That you can find it directly in the answer also. I hope you have understood it. Thank you, children.